Have you invested in Dogecoin after Elon Musk tweeted something nice about it? Or maybe you decided to throw some money into Shiba Inu when everybody was talking about it and you ended up losing your money instead of becoming a billionaire overnight like you expected. Well, that may be because you can't distinguish between a shitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies, so in this video we'll reveal the truth about what a shitcoin is and how you can spot one, as well as which of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there are actually shitcoins. If we take a look at the actual definition of a shitcoin, things already become pretty simple to understand. A shitcoin is a cryptocurrency with no value that has no immediate discernible purpose. Think of a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, for example. The token that people are buying and selling, which is Ether, actually serves as the native token of the entire Ethereum ecosystem. That means that any decentralized app built on the Ethereum blockchain can have its own token, but you'll need to have some Ethereum first so you can exchange it into that other token and then pay the gas fees associated with the transaction. That means that Ether as a currency actually serves a certain purpose, and there will be a demand for it as long as people will want to use the apps on the Ethereum ecosystem. On the other hand, we have cryptocurrencies which do not have any associated ecosystem, as the blockchain they're using does not support smart contracts or because of other technological reasons. Then that cryptocurrency does not serve any purpose altogether, and its value is determined by how many people are willing to buy it anyway. The problem is that it doesn't have any real value or utility, and it will only keep its price up as long as there will be a consensus between people that the price is justified. This mechanism is very fragile though, and that's exactly the reason why you shouldn't invest in shitcoins. Now, I know many people have actually made money by buying and selling shitcoins like Shiba Inu, but that's called speculation. They just realized that many people think that the price will go up, so they bought, waited for even more people to buy, and then sold for a profit. This mechanism of speculators on one hand and people who buy in the hopes of becoming speculators themselves is actually what keeps shitcoins alive. However, let's take a look at some of the most popular shitcoins out there and see what's the deal with them. Dogecoin is probably the biggest shitcoin in terms of popularity, largely because of Elon Musk's aggressive promotion. It was created in 2013 by two software engineers who originally made it as a joke, but it quickly gained popularity and over time it became the phenomenon it is today. Why is it a shitcoin though? Well, that's because the token started out as a copy of Bitcoin and it doesn't have any ecosystem or something where users would actually need to use the token. Just as Bitcoin, it just exists out there and its value is determined by a consensus mechanism that exists only in people's minds. The difference between Bitcoin and Dogecoin though, or for that matter between Bitcoin and any other copy of it, is huge. That would need an entire video of its own, but we'll just mention one of them here. Bitcoin's got a total supply of 21 million, which makes it deflationary, as people know there will be a limited number of Bitcoins out there, while new Dogecoin is literally generated every minute, making it one of the most inflationary cryptocurrencies out there. And we didn't even go into the credibility factor, with Bitcoin having been adopted as a legal tender in some territories and having been declared a commodity by the SEC, while Dogecoin is just the meme that Elon Musk is tweeting about and that everybody is making fun of. The other really popular shitcoin out there is Shiba Inu, and I'll just say that when it came out, it was advertised as the Dogecoin killer, so you can probably imagine what that means. Those are the most basic things that you need to know to be able to spot a shitcoin, so keep in mind that whenever you see a cryptocurrency that everyone is talking about, but their blockchain does not support smart contracts and the developers are not planning on upgrading it to let others build their own apps over it, then it's just pure speculation and you can think of it as a shitcoin. However, you're probably wondering why Bitcoin is not a shitcoin since it doesn't support smart contracts and nobody is building anything over it, as opposed to Ethereum for instance, that's got thousands of developers deploying anything from crypto games to metaverses on their blockchain. So if you want to understand what's going on with Bitcoin, I suggest watching this video next.